I've never been a book smart person. I'm a very hard-working person. I felt that taking on a more interactive job was what better suited my personality. This job has given me a lot more confidence, more ability to interact with different types of personalities, ages, genders, and now I couldn't imagine doing something else. My name is Kirschner, and I'm the first shift production supervisor in forming. I finished college with a bachelor's in accounting. Part of the reason I went into accounting after deciding not to become a commercial pilot, because that's what I originally went to college for. Every company uses accounting, and I've always been good at math. I like numbers, but it didn't fit my personality. It wasn't me. I found an opportunity here as a temp role. I knew from working with a lot of project managers in the construction industry that it seemed a lot more interesting and exciting for me. So I took a leap of faith. This is probably the best decision I've made to change careers, and I couldn't be happier. Here we make bearings, or also known as bushings, that go into every car manufacturer. I have been in this role for 3 years. It's a big company, but this plant is a small place, and it's kind of got that family feel, and I feel like in the position I have now as supervisor, I like letting my guys know that they have me 100%, I have their back. When I was in accounting, I just had me and the computer pretty much, and my superior. So I like that I have control of making people happier and feeling safer at their job. Here, I progressed pretty quickly in a short amount of time. This company's helped me. It gives me that drive, that motivation to learn more. And then if you're happy with what you do, a lot of times the money follows, which leads to other things where you can follow your passions and travel and fly airplanes and other stuff. I plan on sticking with manufacturing, and whether it's in production or somewhere else in manufacturing, this is the path I want to go.